Hi guys, it's Thomas here. Welcome back to the channel and thank you for stopping by. So today I want to show you my new tiny Notion template called Christmas Cheer, which is a holiday gift and spending tracker. So as with my other templates, I've built this for myself for the season of Christmas and holidays, and it is really meant for two purposes. So one is to be able to track the ideas for gifts that I have for my friends and family, which often pop by sort of randomly, and I need a place to write them down. And the second big use case for this template is to be able to very, very simply track your spending for the holiday season. And if you're like me, of course, I'm not trying to be like frugal with my friends and family and closest people, but I just sort of like to keep track of amount of money that I have spent, so that I have a bit more, transparency and understanding of this aspect of Christmas as well. So, with that being said, let me show you how the template looks like. It's as I said, it's very, very simple. So, first of all, um, what I will show you is how you add a new gift. So you just click this button, and basically you can fill in the category. So if it's for family, let's say, date of purchase I will skip for now. Um, Paid by me, of course. For whom? So you can simply add a list of people you're buying gifts for, and status. So here it's either an inspiration or an idea, like I said. So you can just use this to keep track of the funnel of the gifts that you want to buy. And if it's already purchased, you just change the status here. You can also track the dates, which is of course optional, but let's say I keep the track of the date, especially so I can track the date of free return, which is often quite quite important with Christmas gifts. And expenses, of course, like the amount this gift has cost. And let's say this one was for that. So that's it. And basically here you can see the list of all your gifts, either as inspiration and ideas, or of those actually purchased. Um, and using the charts, this gives you a simple breakdown. So here you can see the amount you have spent for each individual person that you're buying gifts for, to keep it a little bit balanced, let's say. And here on the right side you can see your total spending, which is pretty useful, and also broken down by categories, family, friends, colleagues, etc., whatever you want to add here. So this super simple template, that's all there is to it. As with all my templates, trying to keep it very simple and easy to use, but at the same time useful. So I hope you guys find this tiny tool helpful for your Christmas and holiday season. And with any comments or ideas, please feel free to get in touch in the comments. And if you like this template, you can find the link to it in the description of this video. So thank you very much for checking this out, and I hope to see you in the next one.